What is the purpose of this training program? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, where we're exploring the subject of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And in this journey, we're exploring the subject. And in the last video, I shared what is the meaning and the definition of resolution. And in this video, I want to share a little bit more about why these training programs exist. Anything in this life has a purpose, has a meaning, has a mission, has a reason for being here. Every grass out there, every bird, every little rock, part of the pebbles out there, every human life as well has a meaning, has a purpose, has a mission. And this program exists for one and only purpose. And I will share what is this purpose, like taking a metaphor, some picture, some story from the nature. I love nature. I love being out there, and I love to be here in UK, in England, where everything is green and it's green all the time. And I love nature, being out there, fresh air and a lot of butterflies and busy life around. It's really beautiful. And I love the nature, and there is a lot of wisdom in the nature. And one of the stories which really inspires me is the story of the butterfly. And I remember when I was a child, my dad, he made a net for me so I can chase the butterflies. And with my neighbors, my friends in the neighborhood, we were just running every spring and summer to chase the butterflies because they were beautiful. They were flying, they were so free. And they were so beautiful, and they were flying so light, and they were incredible creatures. And this inspires me, really. And I want to share with us the story of the butterfly. And if you think about it, if you explore the life of the butterfly, it has 5 stages. And the first stage is the egg, where it's the little egg somewhere where the adult butterfly just lays on somewhere in the leaves and the trees or on the bushes. And after that, we have the larva or the caterpillar. And I'm sure that most of us, we are not so excited about caterpillar. Rah! But this is the second stage of the life of the butterfly. And the job of the caterpillar or the larva is just to eat and grow, to eat and grow. And the third stage comes once the caterpillar grows to a certain mature age, and then the caterpillar creates the pupa or chrysalis, creates somewhere hidden behind the leaves of the trees, creates this chrysalis where the magic happens, where this metamorphosis happens, this transformation. And from caterpillar, then we have the butterfly. And when the time has come, the caterpillar has become a butterfly. And from this chrysalis, we have this amazing new creature. It's something new, something amazing. It's the most amazing transformation in the nature. And this is an amazing example. And after that, we have the butterfly, which is the stage 4, that flies freely. And it's beautiful and goes wherever it wants and just enjoys all the flowers around. And the 5th stage of the life of the butterflies is that starts reproducing. This adult butterfly starts laying eggs as well. And this is the cycle of the life of the butterfly. But there is a lot of wisdom. And I really love the transforming power of the chrysalis from caterpillar to butterfly. And this is the purpose and the meaning of this training program. Very often in life, we might feel like a caterpillar, just trying to survive, just crawling on our bellies, and it just we don't look good to ourselves. We look like a caterpillar. There is not much beauty. There is wisdom over there, but not much beauty and attraction in the caterpillar. Everyone wants to be like a butterfly, to be beautiful, handsome, to fly freely, and to enjoy life. And this is the meaning of the program. This program is created to serve us to become from a caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly. And I love the freedom of the butterfly, to be free, to fly whatever you want, and to enjoy all the flowers around. And this metamorphosis, this transformation is possible. That's why we as a team, we're spending time putting all these materials together, all these videos, because we do believe that it's possible to change our life. It is possible to explore and really to enjoy and to create this transformation. It is possible. It is in the nature and it's everywhere, and it's possible for us as well. We do believe in you. We do believe in the process of transformation, and we are here to serve you in order to achieve this metamorphosis, this transformation. So from caterpillar to become butterflies to all of us. And this is the meaning of this program. We are continuing our studying in resolution mastery. And in the next video, we will talk more about statistics and numbers and what are the trends when we are talking about resolution mastery. It will be really interesting, engaging, and I'll give you a lot of facts and we will see what are really people interested in. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.